Hello, this is a video instruction on how to manage your website from the back end, how to make changes to your website, how to make addition in terms of images, text, those kind of things. So your website is developed on WordPress framework. In order to make or manage your website from the back end, you will have to log into the backend, and to do so you just have to type the full address of your website in the address bar, followed by /wp-admin, and you simply press enter, and that will take you to the backend login screen of your website, and you type in your username and password, which we will share with you later on in the handover document. Click on login, and once you click login, you are in the back end of your website, and this section is called dashboard. So this is a section that you will use to make any kind of changes to your website. Well, let's start with the home page. We are on the home page right now, and in the front end, if you decide to change this image in future, the large image with the text overlay as well, let's go to the back end and see how to do that. So you simply have to click on the Fusion slider, because that image is a slider, and look for the home section. Home, because this is on the home page, we named it home. So go to the home and edit. So once you click on edit, it will open the section or the slider that you can edit easily. So you are on the home slider. In order to change the text overlay, get connected, and affordable internet and phones are here. You can change the get connected from here easily, and you can change the affordable internet services. Phone are here, so you can change it to anything. Once you make any kind of changes, you just have to delete this and say get connected with us. So basically, once you make the changes here, it doesn't mean the changes has been applied in the front end right away. No, basically once you make the changes, you have to click on update right here. Unless you click this, nothing is saved. So we are not going to save anything, we're not going to update anything, because this is a live website. We do not want to ruin anything. So let's see, but I mean, it is safe to do so. It's not something that will affect the functionality of the website. So just say, let's do one thing, test, and if you click on update, we'll change it back quickly. Let's refresh the page, and you see get connected -test. Now I'm going to remove the -test quickly so that the visitors of the website will not see that, and I will click on update again, and that will change the text back to the original heading. We will remove the test from here. See, now we are back to the original heading, and similarly you can change this one also the same way. Just by scrolling down a bit, you will see right here. Alright, so that was for the text, and let's see the image itself. So as you can see, the image is right here. Simply click on the image to change it, and once you click on the image, you will be presented with media library. So the media library contains all images that are already uploaded to your website, and if none of these images are the one that you would like to replace it with, then just go to the upload files section and click on select files. So upload files, that means you're going to upload it from your computer, and select files. And so just say we are in pictures, for example, and let's open this, and we'll select this image, for example, or this tulips image, open, and that will upload it to your website on the server. But that doesn't mean the image has been applied to your website, not yet. You have to click on set featured image first, and then you have to click on, once you have changed this image, you click on update. So if we say, just say we select this image and it says set it as featured image. Now although the image is here, you have to click on the update button right here in order to have this image displayed on the front end in place of this image, this large image here. So we're not going to make that change, just to prevent any kind of confusion or among the visitors of the website. So click on the image again. So remember, whatever you have selected is the one. So I'm going to select this minus sign here because we need, I would like to remove this image from here, delete permanently. So if you want to delete this image permanently from your server, let's delete here, and then I don't need this one as well because I uploaded that earlier. So now, and your original image was this one, and this is set as featured image. Okay, so unless we click on update, the changes will be made, but because we didn't make any changes, so we don't need to click on update. So that was the for the slider section, and that slider, if you want to change the slider anywhere, it's the same terminology, same thing. Anywhere you go, you just change from the slider section here, Fusion slider. Let's scroll down a bit, and you see this section here. This section is content. So content is usually in WordPress, usually it's on the pages. So let's go to the back end again and go to the pages. Once you click on pages, you will be presented with all the pages on your website right here. So for example, we are on home page right now, and we would like to change this section. We are on home page. We would like to change this section here, and we also would like to change this section here maybe. So go to the back end, click on home page edit, and scroll down a bit, and you will see the heading right here. If you hover over it, it will present to you with the elements on about what to do with it. So you can click on the pen element to change the heading, and click on the text here, text tab, and here you see accelerate your services. So if you go to the front end, this is what you want to change. So if you change it to accelerate your internet instead, and you click on save, and then you click on update from either from here or from here, it will have the same effect. And let's see if it make any changes to the front end. Click on refresh, and accelerate your services becomes accelerate your internet. So this is the change we made. We're going to change it back quickly. Let's see, where was that? Right here. And go to the text again. Services. Save. Update. So we change the heading back to the accelerate your services. Okay, this section here, you just have to simply keep scrolling down, and you will see the sections are clearly presented here. You just have to click on if you would like to change the image itself, click on the pen element, hover over the image, click on the pen element. As you can see, this is the image that we are working with right now, and you can say edit right here. So right here, the image is right here. Click on the pen element, click on edit, and you are presented with the media library again, and you can select any other image on its place and then insert into page basically. So we're not going to make this change. After you have selected another image, you click on save, but we're not changing it right now, so we'll just press cancel. And then once the image is changed over here, that doesn't mean it's changed in the front. You still have to click on the update. Every time you make any changes, you have to click on the update button in order to see the changes in the front end right here. So go down further, and if you want to change the writing here, this section here, right here, it's clearly written here, and you can click on the pen element and you can change this text and click on save. And to change this text, just as you work on Word document, and just delete and rewrite, and then you click on save once you have made the changes. So similarly, you deal with the other sections the same way. Simply click on the pen element to change the writing, and then click on save. So cancel. Let's go further down. Available services, affordable internet, and phone bundles are here. Let's go down. So you want to change this tagline. Just click on the tagline, hover over it, click on the pen element, and change the heading or subheadings, and then click on save. So I'll cancel it for now. Same thing with the further down. If you see these sections are clearly presented here, you can change this image by clicking on edit and then selecting another image instead. For example, you would like to select maybe this image in its place and then insert into page, and there you go. You see the image has been changed, and then you click on save. And once you click on save, this image will be replaced with this image instead. So we're not changing it. Cancel. And that's how you change the price right here. And then if you want to change the button itself, which is right here, discover more, you just go further down and click on the pen element, and this is the link where the button is going to lead to, and then this is the text of the button. You can change this and then click on save. So let's say discover now instead of discover more, we'll say discover now. Save, and you see that the text image right here, the button text has changed to discover now instead of discover more like other buttons or what it was originally. And then again, like it's not saved yet, you have to click on update the page. So we're not going to update the page, and that's it for this page. It ended here. Let's go to maybe about us page, and again, this is the front end of your about us page. So if you would like to change this slider, the background image, or the slider overlay text, again same thing, go to the Fusion slider. Okay, so we'll go to the Fusion slider. It's asking us to save the changes we made earlier, so we are not going to change any make any we are not going to save anything, so leave. So Fusion slider, and then we'll go to About Us. So we named it as About Us right here, and click on Edit. And if you like to change the image, it's right here. Click on the image itself, and this is the selected image currently. And if you want to change this image with something else, for example this image instead, so you click on Set Featured Image right here, and then just say we update this one for now quickly and change it back to the original image. So update, let's see, refresh the page on the front end, and as you can see, the image has been changed in the back end. So this is how you change the slider image in the back end. And then go back, we'll go back and change it back, and if you can change it whenever you prefer to. So let's go to the original image, and this was the original image that was there, and set as featured image and update. So now we know how to change the slider image, and the terminology is same for all the slides. And then the text overlay, About Us, as you can read here, About Us. Let's refresh this page first to make sure the image change back, About Us, and you just simply change this one. If you want to add something further, you can add more heading right here, like on the front page, on the home page. Okay, so that was for the slider as well as the text overlay. Let's go see the content. So this is the content. So content is always on the pages. So let's go back to the back end. We'll click on pages again one more time, and we'll go to About Us, because we are editing the About Us page. So edit, About Us, edit, and scroll down. So let's see, Get to Know Us right here. This one is right here, Get to Know Us. Hover over it, click on the pen element, click on the, if you don't see any text in here, click on the text element or text tab, and simply change this heading here. Don't change anything else, just change this part here, Get to Know Us, and then click on Save. And once you click on Save, it will be updated if you make changes. Scroll down a bit more, and then we'll see you have this text and icons here. Let's see. So this looks like in a content box. Let's click on the pen element, and you can see so just say Stoney NakodaTelecom is a self-sustaining operation of the bear spa. You do go to the back end. It seems like this is the one. Click on the pen element, and let's see, where is the writing? Right here. Stoney NakodaTelecom is a self-sustaining operation of our bear spa and Chiniki First Nations. So this is where you go to change that writing here, right here. Okay, and then you click on Save. Remember, just simply clicking Save is not going to update the website. You have to click on the Update, either here or right here, Update. So let's go back to the content box, and these are all the other images or other sections. You can add more content by clicking on plus sign here to make a similar addition to the front end. Just say if you decide to add more stuff, you can add down here. And then let's see this one. Go down a bit. Okay, and that's where it is, all the writing, and that's how you change it. You just change it as you do on a Word document. So that was for that section. Let's scroll down a bit more. What else do you have? Our partners. So our partners are these are the images of our partner of your business. So you can add more partners as time passes by if you would like to, or you can remove. So you click on this part here, image carousel, and click on the pen element again, and you can see here, right here, you got three sections here, and you can simply change those images from here. You can remove or edit. Once you click on edit, you are presented with the media library again. All your images are saved in the media library, and you can select any other image that you would like to, and then click on insert into page and save. So we're not doing it to the live site again, and that's how you do it. Or you can add more images for future clients or the partners. Okay, so cancel this part. Let's go down, further down, and it says our crew in action, and you see the image gallery here. Let's see. So the image gallery can be, the heading can be changed from here. Go to the text, our crew in action, and you can change the heading from here. Go down a bit, and you see the gallery. The picture gallery is right here. Click on the pen element again. This picture gallery is right here. Click on pen, and you can add or remove images to this picture gallery. So simply click on select images, and you can add to gallery, add more images. You can upload the images from your computer, or if it's already on the server, you can just simply click on one of the images here. Okay, and basically that's how you add to gallery. And if you want to edit the gallery, click on edit, and then just click on minus sign here, and it will delete the images that you don't like to be there, and then insert the gallery. That means you are inserting a new gallery after you make the edits on the gallery. And basically reverse order means you are going to reverse the order of the images, which you don't really need to, or if you want to change the order of the images, you can simply click and drag and drop right here. There you go. That's how you change images. You save it, and then you click on update the page or update from here, and that will update the gallery images. The bottom section here, I recommend not touching it because this is a map and it requires some little bit more technical, so I recommend not touching this section. Just leave it as is, because it requires a short code, so you don't need to worry about this one. because your location is always going to be the same, or you can ask us for assistance if you need to make any changes. Okay, so that's about it for the About Us page. Let's go to Contact Us page for now. And there you go. You know how to change this image now. I guess we don't need to go over it again. You know how to change the text overlay, and I guess you also know how to change this parts, but anyway, we'll go over it again. Which page are we on? We are on Contact Us page. Let's go to Contact Us page, Pages, and scroll down a bit. Contact Us, Edit, scroll down a bit, and you'll see the Fusion slider right here to change the image itself, and you click on Edit slider to change the image or the text overlay. Oh, sorry, not, yeah, for Fusion slider, for text overlay and slider, you can also go from here through the pages, so same thing. Let's go to the page section, which is content boxes. Click on this one. Let's see what we have here. So we are changing this section right here now. Let's see. Address, phone, email. Address, phone, email. You can simply change the address by clicking on the pen element and scroll down, and this is where your address is. Simply change it and save it, and then update the page. Phone number, if it ever changed, this is where your phone numbers are. Change it and save it. Email, this is where your email address is, right here. Same thing. So this is how you make the changes on the About Us page, and click on Update the page after you make any changes. Let's see what we have. So this one is again, we are in a map, and I recommend not changing the map section because it requires a little bit more technical knowledge. So unless your address changed, then don't touch this section, or you can ask us for assistance. Alright, let's go to the services section. Alright, so member pricing 2018. Let's see. Go to the pages again. We are on services. Leave this page because we don't want to save anything. Let's go to the services section right here, and if I click on, we don't need to change the services page itself because we are not going to the services page. Okay, actually we can go to the services page first, and right here if we need to change anything right here, so click on services, edit, and scroll down a bit. You want to change the slider, it's right here. Edit slider, and there you go. Shortcode, let's see, our services. Let's see our services. Okay, wait, we'll come back to the slider. We just need to change this part for now, and let's scroll down a bit. Let's go to the edits Fusion slider and services. That's right here. Sorry. So because this page contains slider only, so we'll go from the slider itself. And the slider image is right here. Same terminology, same thing. Our services, how you change it. Basically, that's how you do it. And then the button itself is a little bit more technical to change, these two buttons. member pricing and non-member pricing. So I would recommend not touching these short codes because it's a little bit more technical. But you can change the slider, the background slider image easily by using the same technique that I have shown earlier. You can change it to any other image in the gallery, or select the file from your computer, upload the file from your computer. Okay, so that's the service page. And if you go to the member pricing or non-member pricing, let's go to the member pricing first, and we'll go back to the page, and basically we're going to the member pricing page right here. Edit, scroll down a bit, member pricing 2018 plans. Okay, so right here you can see here, and then this text here, you can see everything is written here. You can click on the pen element and change the price, or change the heading. Just say next year if you want to change it to 2019, just say 2019 plans, and if the fees increase to 160, then change it to 160 and save it. And basically it will save here, as you can see, and click on update the page. That will save this heading. Okay, packages, internet 15, 25, internet 50. Let's go and look at the packages, internet based packages. Right here, internet based packages. Want to change that heading, click on this, internet based packages, and then save. Okay, let's see what we have. Pricing table. So basically, to change this section here, you have to go to the pricing table. So that is right here. Click on the pen element again, and let's see, you have to click on the table after that, and this is where you can see the table, and you'll see internet 15 here, and you can simply change it from here to internet 30 whatever, and change the heading of the internet plans. This is the button. No, you don't need to add the button because it's not a button, sorry. So change the $65 monthly, $80. You can change from here to $90 monthly, $95 monthly. And basically when you say order now, that's a button, and that button is a little bit technical to change, so I would say don't touch the button, because it also contains the link where it's going to take the customer to. So this is how you do it, and then you click on save, and basically that will save, and then click on update the page or update from up here, and that's how you change that. And basically everything is same. All these things, you want to change anything, it's the same method. Just keep scrolling down, keep clicking on the pricing table. So that was internet based packages. Then we have internet 15 bundles. Click on pricing table and click on table. You'll see all the whole table here, and change anything you would like to change. Further scrolling down, internet 25 bundles, and then internet 50 bundles, and single packages. Single packages, and then the installation. Lastly, installation is right here. Same thing, click on pen element to change anything that you would like to change. Design, oops, right here. Oh, the table is here, right here. So this one is right here. You can simply change it from here, and similarly this table is right here. You can change it from here. So that's how you change the member pricing as well as the non-member pricing. Basically it's the same thing. That's basically the idea behind it is same. And then lastly, I think we have done everything except for the order online part. Let's go and see if there is something that we want to change here. It doesn't look like we would like to change anything here. If you would like to change one of these headings, then let's go to the order online page, pages again. So remember, most of your work is in pages here, and that's where you go and change things, upload images, pages and fusion slider. Okay, order online page, edit. Okay, scroll down a bit. Order online, please fill out the form and we will get back to you. As you can see right here, if you would like to change the sentence or this one, just simply go here and click on the pen element and change the heading, change the subheading. Let's see. So what we have right here is the form itself. The form also contains the shortcode. We do not want to touch this one as well. So basically we are done, and that's how you make changes to your website. We are taking care of the maintenance because you are opted for the maintenance, so you do not have to worry about the security or the functioning of the website. We will take care of everything. And for the edits, this is how you do it. If you have any questions, you can always reach back to us and we will be more than happy to guide you or answer your questions. Hope it will be helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.